how to get traffic for affiliate offers and e-com products. I will review a product called Traffic Armageddon. So we will see what it is all about and how you can get this traffic. Nella Fernandez from Fitpreneurship out here. So in case you're interested in a full passive income and leaving the 9-to-5 job behind, you can try out my free training. The link is in the description. Okay, so let's have a look at this Traffic Armageddon, how it can get you traffic for all your affiliate offers, e-com products, etc., etc. Okay, so one of the really great things about this is it has been used by these guys for quite some time. So let's have a look at it and see what this is all about. Traffic Armageddon. Okay, Justdeep is the guy who will be doing the training, and he has 5-figure months. Okay, so using these multiple traffic methods. So it's all about traffic. We'll look at it in greater detail. So if you do decide that this is for you and you intend to pick it up, you can try my link down. With that, you'd get bonuses which are specially designed to work with this Traffic Armageddon. Okay, so training showing you how to build a funnel and sell to an email list. So this is a $297 value bonus. Okay, so building a funnel and selling to an email list. Then a free affiliate course, a $367 value bonus. Okay, so you're getting traffic, so how to monetize it, how to use other people's products. You don't have to develop your own products, how to use other people's products, and affiliate marketing to actually sell products and gain a commission. Okay, so that's a course of $367 value. Okay, then secret commissions blueprint, how to earn commissions. Okay, a $97 value bonus. Then there is Instagram monetization, how to monetize your Instagram account, a $247 value bonus, and an online entrepreneur, a $397 value bonus. So all these bonuses plus some unannounced bonuses of $1,600 gives you total value bonuses of over $3,000. Okay, so over $3,000 worth of bonuses if you do pick it up with my link below. Okay, so now let us look at this Traffic Armageddon and just see what it is all about. Okay, one thing, if you stick on till the end, I will show you another video which you might like, which is a best emailing software, which is almost free. Okay, it does not have the recurring price model. Okay, so you can check that out. And also a ClickBank affiliate marketing on autopilot, another video which you might like. Okay, so just hold on till the end and check that out. Okay, let's continue then. Okay, so if you do click on the link below, it will take you to this bonus page. And if you do click on any of these yellow buttons here, it will take you to this page, which is the page where you can pick up this product. Okay, so hey, what's the good thing about this product is it's a 5 traffic multiplier. Now this is a unique method that Justdeep will be talking about, where whatever traffic you're getting to your site, you're going to multiply it by 5 times. Okay, now it might seem intriguing, what is this all about? This is a unique hack he's been using, and quite a few of the top marketers are using this, okay, to get 5x or even more your traffic coming to your site or to your landing page, to your e-com store, etc. Okay, so this is a very unique hack, and also there are various other hacks where different traffic methods he talks about, how to get that, what are the pros and cons, etc. Okay, and then done for you automated commission building funnel. Okay, and you don't have to be a tech guy to actually do this. It's pretty simple. Start achieving the laptop lifestyle. Okay, it works in any niche. Okay, and there's a load of proof from real users. Okay, so you can have a look further. There are some results which others have got. You can read through this on the sales page. you see. Okay. Okay, so a lot of different guys have got results with this with this product, and you can see if you can run through this sales page, you'll have a look out there. Okay, so let's see further. Okay, so this is Traffic Armageddon. Okay, and let's look at the members area. If you do pick it up, this is how it would look at the back end. It's full training. So let's have a look what all it has here. So it has a welcome area where you get introductions and by Jasdeep and some of the this is Dan. Okay, and Dan is there, and even Philip is there. Three guys who are putting up this course, and really great courses these guys do put up. Okay, so some mindset training. What is this Traffic Armageddon all about? The hack code which they're using to actually get this 5x. One click gets into five times the click. So one click and you get five times you can multiply your traffic. Okay, so the whole scenario they talk about understanding traffic in 10 minutes is a very good module. Something very nice and something very unique. Okay, and proven traffic sources, and then various other traffic methods they talk about, and how to actually start earning from this. Okay, many times you might if people talk about paid traffic, is it really worth it? Are you getting the returns on it? Is your ROI good? Return on investment good? So all these things they will talk about, and how to actually start earning a profit with all of this. Okay, so this whole thing, a unique system is 5x. Your results is a very unique system and a unique code they talk about, and they show you how to implement it, etc. Okay, so something which is really worth getting from the looks of it. So let's have a look at what kind of pricing this has. Okay, so the front end is a $17 product, and if you stay on the page, if I show you that, you stay on the page, if I refresh this, if I do refresh this, and I tend to click out of it, I would get a 50% discount on this. Okay, so I'm getting a 50% discount on the $17. I'm getting a 50% discount on this, so that would be $8.50 or something like that. Okay, so even the front end for even $8.50 you can get. Okay, so that's the front end. That's the Traffic Armageddon. Then you have a done for you upgrade. If you want the first upgrade, it's a done for you. 30 of Jasdeep's proven email swipes, and that made him over $300,000. Okay, that's something if you want, you can go in for that. Then done for you sales automation. Then exact funnel and 100% proven approval to various products, etc. Okay, solo ads traffic for free. Okay, so that's the other upgrade. And unlimited traffic. So where you can put the pixel on their sales page and start driving their own traffic. You can use ads, driving traffic from these Jasdeep and all their sites. Okay, and you can use that kind of traffic. Then traffic mastery, some other upgrades. Okay, and reseller rights. Finally, 100% reseller rights, where you can use this as your own product as well. Okay, so a lot of upgrades. So at least the front end definitely is well worth it, and you can have a look and see if any of these other things are something you would consider. Okay, so have a look at those. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So if you find that this is not for you, you can always return it within 30 days. So that's Traffic Armageddon. I would recommend the front end version, which is definitely worth it, well worth it. And if you try to click out, you get a discount on this $17 as well, right? Okay. So also, if you do pick up even the front end, you would get my bonuses, which I talked about, which are over $3,000. Okay, out here. Okay, and how would you get it? So this is a Warrior Plus product, and if you do purchase it, you get a receipt from Warrior Plus like this, and the green button gives you access to the product, and the blue button gives you access to these bonuses that I talked about, which are over $3,000. Okay, so that's about it as such. Okay, that's Traffic Armageddon, and if you are interested, as you're getting traffic, the best emailing software, which is almost free, you can check out my next video, which will be coming up at the end, and you can see how you can get a emailing software for almost free, okay, without the recurring income pricing, okay, and also how to do ClickBank affiliate marketing on autopilot. Okay, so check those two videos out and see if it makes sense for you to have a look at those. Okay, also if you like this video, click on the like button, hit the subscribe, okay, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you wish. All the best to your success.